Hi guys, on this video I'm taking you along with me on a walking tour of the Salesforce Tower in San Francisco. As you can see, it's so huge. It's the tallest building in the city. And at this point, I'm so extremely excited because I'm getting so close to it. Just walking along the overpath, you can see it as well. I'm directly across the street from the tower and just trying to get a good angle since the building is so huge, and not trying to look too weird as I record. I'm going to walk across the street so I can get a little bit closer to the building. So as you can see here, I am very close to the building. Everything looks so amazing up close. And I'm just really taking it all in. Everything looks pristine around the building as well. So at this point, I'm trying to locate someone to take a picture of me in front of the tower, because I did walk down here alone and I definitely wanted to get a picture in front of the San Francisco office. So I did find someone to take a picture of me, and here it is. I was really happy with the results because they did capture the lighting from the inside of the building. So it really did turn out great. So I was really happy I was able to get that picture. I also took a hop on, hop off bus with my family, and I was able to also see the tower. I was so excited to see it from this vantage point. It was just an amazing experience. My family thought I was a little weird for enjoying it so much, but as you can see the skyline, and the tower sits right there in the middle. I also spotted this billboard. I was so excited to have spotted this on the tour. It says, "We bring companies and customers together," and that's what Salesforce does. I hope you all enjoyed this tour of the Salesforce Tower.